Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on ear the voice, on the nose here, one and only Atafa the Press. Well, People's National Party caretaker for Southeast St. Mary, Lorraine Ferguson, is calling for rehabilitation works to be carried out on the Junction Road in St. Mary. This after a truck went over the precipice along Friendship Gap Main Road yesterday afternoon after it developed what is suspected to be a mechanical issue. My wisdom warriors, me always say this. You see how the road stay and then you have down the gully. And me not understand why they not build up a walling or something to protect people, to protect drivers, to protect motorcyclists. Why? Why? Me not understand. You just leave the road so. Anything can go vroom and fly straight down a gully. It is not safe. A long time I see these things and now them are something on need for change and fix. The time every minute Andrew Owens out a bill. And them are something you have to build up. You have to build up walls. These are the things I need to build up Andrew Owens. The time where you out a bill. So you say ya bill. I mean I know where your bill say. Seriously. The road is not safe, The road is not safe, and the road they need more traffic light, more stop light, more all kind of things the road need. Seriously, it is just not safe on the road. You need to fix up the road. And when I talk about fix up a road, I not talk about just patch up over this or patch up around this or and down this. You need to build up barriers also. It is just not safe. My wisdom warriors, the driver and passenger were assisted to hospital. The driver reportedly lost control of the vehicle, crashed into the embankment, and then went over the precipice. It goes straight down in the gully. This is why the gully, you know what? You need a full time now to build up some barrier there. So seriously, full time now. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
The road is in a state of disrepair for some time now. You know that I've complained about it and nothing have been done. Even worse, since the hurricane, a lot of section on the road erode. And if it's still like this, the situation is going to be worse. Because here's a truck go over there today. Tomorrow, we don't know what is going over there. And the other day, too numerous on the roadway. Too numerous points on the roadway that you see broken away. And I am asking Mr. Dunn to do something about the road. Because too often pedestrian and motorists almost go over the gully. And I am calling on him again. Please, Mr. Dunn, do something about the road because it's in a state of disrepair and I might be next. You might be next. We don't know who will be next. The road is...
Wanna hear what the caretaker say, my wisdom warriors? A long time then tell them about the road and nobody not do nothing about it. A long time before burial. You know hear what I'm say a long time. Really and truly, sometimes I really wonder. There's a lot of things to come out, for protest about, Lot of things. Lot of things is there for us to come out and protest about because the place just not safe. The place is just not safe. We picnic them not safe. The road not safe. No, if the place just not safe. And yet the government is out here showing off from day to day, pretending like everything is good. When everything is really not good. Everything is not good. And I notice when they come to the PNP, not only the PNP, even the Labour right too. When them ask for help, them never get it. They don't get it. They never get the help what they want. They always a call upon the government for come and do this, come and help us, come and do this. Nothing. When they look 3 months, 4 months later, Andrew Holness a run out and say, I'm going to do it. And all now we not do nothing. Look at the water. The water is a perfect example. Remember the whole drought thing down at Westmoreland and Hanover? Over 7 months the people they not have no water. Over 7 months, and all the people them a protest and a beg and a beg and a beg. Matthew Samuda not even look left, he not even look right. And then Andrew Holness come out and I say how he hear the cry of the people in Negril. Andrew Holness come out and how him a go spend how much billion pound water for the Westmoreland people them. And it a go take him 3 weeks. No, how much months now? About 3 months. No, we not hear nothing, we not see nothing happen. It is not right, my wisdom warriors. These things is unacceptable. These things is unacceptable. We need more, you know. There's more that we need. It's not only about light and road and water. There is wholly more we need. Government sit down for millions, billions and do nothing with it. Only enriching themselves. That's all them are do, you know. Enriching themselves. When we are going to get up, when we are going to come to the realization and say, you know what, enough is enough. When we're going to do that, Jamaica? When? When our back is against the wall? Remember, you know, when our back is against the wall, you know, we're stuck, you know. We can't even turn, you know. And that no want to know, you know. So the time is now. We need to go out and protest for all these things. Starting from the missing pitney them. Starting with Delroy Chuck and Andrew Holness need for release and publish the sexual offender registry. All of these things we need for protest about. Crime is not going down. Anytime on the year so somebody dead in our ends, then they say they send out the Zozo. And when the Zozo them go out, more people are dead. It's not helping. Crime is not reducing. Our country need help. Me hear Andrew Holness go on national TV and tell them say we're good. Everything all right and they have everything under control. That is a lie. We really need the help. Andrew Holness cannot manage the country because, you know, why help the people them in the country? Him know why, you know, my wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness now work for we, you know. Andrew Holness is not working for us. So we have to put somebody in place that cares for us and that is going to respect us. You understand? Andrew Holness not care. He doesn't care one bit. So the time is now for us to get up, stand up for truth and rights. We want justice. We want justice, my wisdom warriors. We need to go out there and demonstrate. It is too much now, man. Not only get up every day and demonstrate about water and electricity. No, we have to do more than that. We are more than that. We are not only about electricity and water. We are more than that. You understand me? Look what Andrew Holness has tried though. He's trying to take away our freedom of rights. And that him try to do, you know, violate with freedom of rights. And what did the judge do? The judge struck it down and said, no need. And what Andrew Holness has tried to know, he might try to say, oh, it depends on the people. If you don't want to come for needs, you don't come for needs. I want to know how it will go already. I want to know how it will go. If some people start taking the needs. I want to know how it will go already. A whole heap of people now going to get access to certain things. Andrew Holness need to come out and talk the truth and tell the Jamaican people the truth and stop misleading the people and stop letting your mouthpiece them misleading Jamaican people. You see, any day Jamaican wake up and realize what you're doing, you just get what they don't get, you Andrew Holness. And just because the people they're not smart, the people then can't catch up with you. Because one thing when I notice with Jamaican people, when you talk, they don't listen to the words. They don't listen and try to understand what you're saying if it makes sense. But me I tell you, we need more than only electricity and water. We need to go out and protest. And when me I say protest, continuous protest. Not just go today and protest and that's it. No, every single day. Everybody a fight for freedom except Jamaica. Me not understand. And what do we saw? We not comfortable? Every country a fight. Even UK a fight. Even UK a fight. Lord Jesus, even UK a fight, make a king have to come out and say he want up to date every single day of what is going on with the riot and the demonstration in the UK. My wisdom warriors, hear this. The King has asked to be kept updated daily on protest plan around the UK. Sky News understand he is said to be engaging privately in the issues it has generated. The monarch has a long-standing record of engaging in issues around community cohesion and interfaith dialogue. So when you hear that, my wisdom warriors, I never see the Queen ever come out and say she want to be kept updated on riots and protests that is happening in the country, because things not looking good. Things is not looking good in the UK. The people, the one thing with the UK people, them them always go out and protest, As the Prime Minister open his mouth so and say from, and they not agree, they have to give the people them what they want. That's why the people them out and about a protest a pure bangaranga galang. Taking this.
Oh yeah, they got the drone.
Oh yes, yeah, I know that. Right, I'm coming to you, the
الشباب اللي انت بتتكلم ده اتراك مصريين باكستان، بص كلنا جايين بالسنايبر ما شاء الله، يعني اي جدع عين
So my wisdom warriors, you know see what going in the UK, when me telling you say in the UK, pretty, right now, pretty at all, a pure bangarang a drop in the UK. But one thing with the people them, me I tell you say anything the people they want, if that they means that they want, that them are gonna get, as long as they touch the road. This will open up on the eyes. This will open up on the eyes, you understand? If you don't want freedom, you don't have to go out and protest. You can't just sit down every day and say, God, I go deal with it, God, I go deal with it. God help those who help themselves. Action speak louder than words. Action speak louder than words. So you have to take it to the street also and make Andrew honesty say, you mean business. And you place him where him there till the day. And anything you say, it goes because it might work for we. It might work for we, my wisdom warriors. Anyway, taking this.
PSP bill customers 25,000 after hurricane. Wherefore, a thief me fi go thief, and me can't get light. Me picking if bury, me can't get light. What me a go do? Me can't get water. Me want water to wash me sunny. Me want water to wash me arms. Me want water to wash me head. Me want water to brush me teeth. PSP.
When you hear that, my wisdom warriors, 25,000 for our bill come to, after burial, 25,000 our bill come to. I each year say, when she forget money to pay this, You understand? She not have water, she not have no light. Them something here is not right. But as I said, I'm going to always say it, Andrew Holness and Daryl Val's fault. Because when PNP did come out and urge JPS to do better, what did Andrew do? He defend JPS. He defend JPS. And now, so because them and JPS now plant peas aside, now you see them a jump down JPS throat. Andrew Holness have something up in his sleeve. You remember that nuclear plant when I tell you about? You remember that nuclear plant, my wisdom warriors, when I tell you about? It Andrew Holness I go bring in a Jamaica. And we don't need no nuclear plant. We don't need it. We have sunlight. We have water. We have everything. We have everything. All we need is solar. All we need is solar system. That's it. So what Andrew Holness do with nuclear plant? We don't need to go and go in no partnership with Andrew Holness. Uno can do it on yourself. Uno in the community can come together, chump up some money just like uno for uno chump up money and give to JPS for constitution on the light. Uno can chump up money and get on a solar system. Don't trust the government. Uno hear me I want to know. Don't trust the government. Andrew Holness administration cannot be trusted. He lies a lot. He is misleading the Jamaican people all the time. He is not a truthful prime minister. And everybody in the world know that. The only people them that know it are the one them where they on the ground. Some of them don't know it. But everybody know it. Andrew Holness is a liar. Like, you know, some people, we probably say me be disrespectful, but me only say it raw. Me not pretty it up. Like other bloggers pretty it up, but me not do that, my wisdom warriors. Remember say Andrew Holness go on national TV and say, we the Jamaican people have 900 shelters. What you call that? Eh? That is a big fat lie. So these things, we have to expose these things. This prime minister cannot be trusted. They cannot be trusted. They want to violate with freedom, violate with rights, and we don't have to say nothing about it. It is wrong. It is wrong. Andrew Holness is up to something. Andrew Holness is up to something, my wisdom warriors. And also what Andrew Holness do with the Independence Day, bring in the Chinese them in our thing. And it's not about the Chinese. And as I said, if they want to do something for the Chinese people, them, fair enough, do it. But not in our independence. Our independence is for us, is for our ancestors. We fight freedom for we. How Chinese reaching at this? How Chinese reaching at this? It just don't make no sense. Andrew Holness violate everybody. Violate the Jamaican people. Violate the Jamaican, the ancestor, everybody, the Maroons, everybody. You know, have no respect for himself. Especially for we. No respect, my wisdom warriors. The time is now. The time is now to go out, protest, and ask for the resignation of Andrew Holness to leave. Because maybe there will not be an election. No, know that. Maybe there will not be an election. So we need to come together and ask for a resignation from Andrew Holness, Horace Strong, Juliet Holness, Christopher Tufton, Nigel Clark. I think me forget about you. You not get way. You not get way because all you got prison. But you're finance minister. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.